everyone! Kumusta? It's me, Hazel's Emporiums, and welcome to my channel. To those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome and thank you for coming to my prem. And please consider subscribing. Hit the bell notification down below so you will get notified every time I will be posting a new video. So to my returning viewers, thank you so much for coming back and watching all my videos back again. And here in my premiere, thank you so much to that from the bottom of my heart. So for today's video, everyone, as you have all known, this is another sponsored video, another collabs from a company named Starbrandshop. So they reached out to me and they sent this stuff product to me for free. I did not pay anything from this, so this is in exchange to my video, which is I am going to do an unboxing and a review, and the most awaited moment is my outdoor try on. So I will do an outdoor try on, but prior to that I will give you a very brief information about this company. This is another online replica store company. So as I've said always, why would I have to buy those original, very pricey, if I can find this kind of almost the same quality, original leather in this kind of company? Replica store, Starbrandshop has all of this brand, bags, everything has in this company, right? So we have to be very practical now, guys. The basic needs stuff is going up. Inflation is crazy here nowadays, but that doesn't mean that we have to stop or not to shop to buy a gift for ourselves. We can also go shopping. So in this case, Starbrandshop replica store, they carry a lot of stuff that we needed, this kind of fashion stuff. So for men and women, these stores or this company has a lot to shop with. Okay, so guys, men, women, boyfriend, husband, friends, best friend, sons, daughter, this is about the time of giving. So give a gift to your loved ones and to yourself itself. You work hard, of course, you deserve to have a gift of yourself too. So that doesn't mean that inflation is here, we don't need to go shopping, right? As I've said, we need this kind of break for ourselves. So give a prize to ourselves. So I think I'm talking too much now, so let's jump into the unboxing. Okay, thank you. Okay, here it is. I can't wait though. So please be careful when using a cutter, okay? So let's start this. Ta-da! It is beautiful. Okay, can't wait to open up this. Okay, so here it is. Oh, beautiful. My God. Apologize for a little bit of noise from my e-fan. Summer is here, and let me check the impressive too. Dust bag is durable, and with all the information here, everything is here, the receipt and this one. Let me check this, and with the ribbon too. Okay, so let's proceed this. I have here the sling, I believe. Oh, this is cute. Look at that, how safe. So this is the sling handle. Let's get rid of this. Oh. Oh, I like this. Look at that. There is a Louis Vuitton in this. And I have here, let's remove this. So there is another Louis Vuitton logo in the lock. I hope you can see that. Let me check at the back. So back to back. And let me check. Okay. And let me take a look closer. Hope you can see that. There is another Louis Vuitton logo in this. And must be of the same thing here. Let's get rid of this. So same thing. There is a Louis Vuitton logo. Both sides. Same as here. Okay, and then we'll go check here. Let's get rid of this. Very well protected. Here you go. So I have here the Louis Vuitton. Let me go closer. Okay. So there is a Louis Vuitton logo here, made in Paris. And I like this lock. This lock here. That comes at the back. So okay. So when you lock here, we can open this. Like it has two compartments here. On top of that, very big one. And here too. Okay, another compartment. And the material seems like a gamosa. So I have another Louis Vuitton logo in this nails here, both, another one here too, and same thing, there is a Louis Vuitton logo in the handle here, and there is a Louis Vuitton logo in one of the compartments. And I like this idea of this lock, you know. So when you do this way, that's locked. Oh, what do you think of this? This looks so elegant. So decent though. So let me go check this. Everything is in line. Everything is in the best shape. Side. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Looks elegant. Okay, so what do you think of this? I can't really wait to try this on outside. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Star Brand Fashion. I super like it. I love it though. So if I am going to give this a rate, I will definitely give this a 9.5. I love it. So I can use this, or you guys can use this in all occasion. You know, you can use this when going to your work and office work. You can use this wherever you really want to use this. You can really use this. This is a very classy, looks elegant, and it's just so gorgeous, beautiful though. I love it. And another thing, please do not put a water bottle in this kind of bag or purse. Just put very light, like wallet, cell phone, keys, just the very basic that we have to bring, you know. So these kind of bags do not afford or cannot afford to handle this super heavy kind of stuff. So please do not do that. Let's try this outdoor. Please see me there. Thank you.
It's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat,